I'm David Rathman. I'm the Division Chief of Planning and Technical Services for Orange County Fire Department in Orange County, Florida. We have 42 fire stations, 1,325 members. We do full service fire protection and EMS, including EMS transport. We began using the Deccan products in a 2013-14 timeframe. It's given us plenty of tools to be able to validate and verify that we're making informed decisions. Some of the things that we've used the products for is just recently the mayor awarded the fire chief an extra $30 million to build 3 fire stations and also open up a regional training facility, which was outside of our normal funding strategy. One of the projects that we're working on now, and it's a continual project, is using barb in kind of a unique way. At least we believe it's unique in that what we did is we took all of the municipal fire stations and fire stations that surrounded the county from surrounding counties, and we built a quarter-mile grid and built in the delay for those areas that we don't have combined dispatch centers, and we're able to sit down with those agencies, even ones we have auto aids agreement with, to determine and update those areas and sit down with the ones we don't have auto aid agreements and say this is where we should be providing you aid and where vice versa you should be providing us aid. So we use that tool on an ongoing basis.